space-qualified coaxial cable assemblies from Smiths Interconnect. Smiths Interconnect SpaceNXT Q and SpaceNXT QT space-qualified cables are the ultimate solution for aerospace and satellite communication systems. SpaceNXT Q and QT cables are engineered to withstand the extreme conditions of space while delivering uncompromising performance. With their robust construction and space-qualified materials, these cables ensure reliable data transmission for spaceflight applications on LEO, MEO, and GEO satellites. The SpaceNXT Q cables have a frequency range up to 40 GHz, super shielding effectiveness, and use a fluorine-based plastic material for maximum radiation resistance. The SpaceNXT QT cables have a frequency range up to 50 GHz, a fluorine-based plastic material for maximum radiation resistance, and are equipped with innovative thermal control technology, allowing them to operate efficiently across a wide temperature range. This ensures optimal performance even in extreme thermal conditions, making them ideal for critical space missions where temperature fluctuations are common. SpaceNXT cables are part of a full range of higher reliability products for next-generation space applications that are readily available on the market. All products have gone through extensive qualification testing to validate today's rigorous application requirements per customer and industry. SpaceNXT cables are made with low-loss EPTFE insulation and constructed with materials which meet the outgassing requirements of NASA ESA when tested per ASTM E595. Whether it's in satellite payloads, space probes, or communication satellites, Smiths Interconnect's SpaceNXT cables provide the reliability and performance needed to keep missions on track and data flowing seamlessly. For more information, visit smithsinterconnect.com.